Behind the oven door, there is a hidden button that makes cleaning easier. Most people are unaware of it. Just pull it upwards to release the lock. Repeat the process on the other side. With the doors prepared in this way, they will be easy to remove. Next, grab them and lift them slightly. The hinges should come out on their own. There is a protective plastic on the oven door. Use a screwdriver to pry it open and then remove it. This way, you'll be able to disassemble and clean the glass. Not everyone knows that you can also remove the rack and glass when cleaning. Just pull them towards you with a firm motion. This way, you can thoroughly clean the oven walls. If you don't like scrubbing off burnt grease and food residues, use baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties and is safe for health. Sprinkle it evenly over the doors and inside the oven using a sieve. A thick layer should cover the entire surface. Then, take a paper towel. Spread it in the areas covered with baking soda. Pour a cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Screw it tightly. Spray the towels generously with it. They should absorb the mixture well. Both substances will react under the towels and start removing burnt food. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After that time, simply remove the towels and wipe the oven with them. All the dirt will stick to their surface, and you won't have to scrub. It can even handle tough stains. A handyman showed me how to clean a burnt oven without taking anything apart, and this method seriously surprised me. Cleaning the oven is one of those chores everyone would rather avoid. You might wipe the oven glass inside and out regularly, but the door actually has several panes. The one that gets the dirtiest is the middle pane, and it's the hardest to reach. I'll show you how to clean that middle oven glass using a piece of cardboard without removing it. Gently pry up the top part of the door from the inside and remove the cover. This opens up the space between the panes. Grab a kitchen towel or paper towel and place a piece of stiff cardboard on it. Now, stick a strip of double-sided tape along the top edge of the cardboard and cut it to size. Peel off the backing, then attach the towel so it holds firmly and won't slip while you clean. Flip it over and spray the towel with oven cleaner or glass cleaner. Slide the cardboard between the glass panes in the oven door. Press it gently and move it slowly to lift off grease, grime, and streaks. Wipe up and down first, then side to side to reach every corner. Put the cover back on and you're done. The glass turns clean, clear, and looks brand new, and the whole oven instantly looks fresher and neater. It's the best way to clean your oven quickly and cheaply, without unscrewing anything. My mother-in-law told me she cleans the oven with a toilet brush, so I decided to try it. Inside, there are spots you can never reach with a regular cloth, and that's exactly where this trick makes a difference. But the steps matter. Grab a toilet brush, ideally a brand new one, and use it only for this purpose. Choose one with dense bristles and a comfortable, longer handle. Rinse the brush with water. The water should be clean and fresh. Let the brush stay slightly damp. Start with the oven rails. That's where grime builds up most often, and it's the perfect time to clean them. Scrub each rail one by one from both sides. The bristles pick up dirt really well and reach into narrow gaps. Then wipe away any leftover moisture with a microfiber cloth. Now move to the top of the oven. This area usually looks the worst. Scrub it thoroughly. The brush gets into tricky spots easily and adjusts to uneven surfaces. Take your time and be thorough. Finish with the bottom. If there are dried-on stains, it can handle those too. Scrub the entire bottom surface. In the end, just wipe everything down, preferably with a dry microfiber cloth, and you're done. Cleaning an oven with a toilet brush is easier than you think, and you immediately know how to clean your oven without chemicals. Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was? Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping one dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Line your oven with plastic bags and get rid of burnt-on grime without scrubbing or effort. This simple method really works and doesn't require strength or any special tools. Just spray the inside of your oven with oven cleaner. Cover every surface thoroughly. Then take a few plastic bags and press them onto the sprayed surfaces, the bottom, sides, top, and door. The layer of plastic helps lock in moisture and acts as a barrier that boosts the cleaner's effectiveness. That's key, because it prevents the product from drying too quickly, giving it time to dissolve the grease and burnt residue. Leave it for a few hours, or overnight for tougher messes. When you peel off the plastic, wipe everything down with a cloth. The dirt comes off easily, no scraping or scrubbing needed. Just dry it with a clean towel, and you're done. It shines like new, and the whole process takes just a few minutes. No stress, no effort. You'll never go back to the old way. Throw eggshells onto a baking tray. You'll be surprised at what you can do with them. Eggshells are a great source of calcium and other minerals that can be used in many ways. Place them in the oven and heat for 5 minutes. This makes them more brittle and easier to grind. Now, transfer the toasted eggshells to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural cleaner. Then, add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, which helps break down stubborn stains. Blend everything until the eggshells turn into a fine powder. Your homemade cleaning mix is ready. Now, test it on burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle the powder on the scorched areas, scrub, and rinse. Wipe dry and see the difference. Tough stains and burns disappear without scratching the surface. Your pan looks like new, and cleaning has never been easier. Try this method and forget about expensive chemical cleaners.